happy Halloween, and yes, I am posting this on Halloween, but I really hope you guys enjoy this punk glam skull look I got going on. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. So I'm going to start off with a clean canvas. I'm going to go in and apply my primer using Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a very important step, especially if you're going to put a whole bunch of Halloween makeup on your face. I did apply my foundation concealer off camera, so I went ahead and just moved on to the next step, applying Makeup Forever Aqua XL in M72 and NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Orange County. I'm just mixing these two colors together. Just start applying this on the sides of my face to bring out that skull feature. And I'm going back and forth with foundation brushes along with the beauty blender just to make sure everything is well blended together. I'm also applying the paint on the inner corners of my brow bone and blending that out as well up towards the forehead. And with the same paint, I'm now going to start creating the skeletal nose. I'm using a very thin brush that I got from Michaels. It resembles your normal average eyeliner brush, which I absolutely love. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. I'm now going to go into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm going to pick up Man Eater and I'm going to begin blending this right where I applied the paint and along the sides of the temples of my forehead. Using the same shadow, I'm applying this also on the inner corner of my brow bones as well as the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to take one of the palettes from the JACLYN Hill Morphe Vault Bling Boss. I'm going to pick up the shade called Hush Hush, which is a very pale pinky mauve color, and I'm going to begin just blending this on the outer edges of these skull features so far, as well as the center of my mouth. Now I'm going to give myself some brows, going in with Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow in shade number 4, as well as MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the shade Spiked. From here, I'm going to prime my eyes using MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. Going back into Huda Beauty's Remastered palette, I'm going to pick up the shadow called Risque, which is this beautiful dark purple shadow. I'm going to start darkening up the outer parts of my jaw. Next, I'm going to take another Huda Beauty product. This is Coral Obsessions. I'm going to take that top orange shadow right at the center, and I'm going to begin blending this right over here where you see where my brow bones are and on the inner portions of the skull. I'm also taking some of that shadow and just blending it right at the center of my mouth. I also went in with the Morphe 3502 palette and I picked up the shadow called Fire. I lost that piece of footage where I recorded the palette and there's no time to record another footage, but I did pick up that shade Fire. I applied some on the inner portions of the skull as well and applied that shadow all over my eyes. It's just so gorgeous, so vibrant, so pigmented. I knew I had to use this color for this look. Next, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. I'm going to pick up this gorgeous highlight called Wish, and I'm just going to apply as much glow as I possibly can. From here, I'm going to take my Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. It's a black gel liner, one of my favorites ever. It is such a gorgeous jet black color, and I am using this to apply my skeletal teeth. And just adding a little bit more glow from the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. Now I'm going to apply a wing liner. I'm using my NYX Epic Ink Liner along with the Inglot Gel Liner number 77 that I used to apply the teeth. I'm going to go back in with that shadow called Risque in the Huda Beauty Remastered palette, and I'm going to just deepen up that purple shadow that's on the outer parts of my face. Picking up the Inglot Gel Liner once again, just to darken up the lines of the teeth. time to play with these gorgeous gems that I got off of Amazon, of course. And this definitely took some time. I put it as much as I possibly can all over my face. And I'm also going to be applying this all over my mouth for my teeth. That's going to be later on within the video. But I just went in, applied some adhesive to where I wanted to apply the gems. So I would apply the adhesive first and then just apply the gems right on top. Going back into the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, taking that same highlight called Wish, and I'm just going to apply this and blend it on my nose. And I'm just going to apply a white eyeliner on my waterline. This one is from Urban Decay, their 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Yayo. And I decided at the last minute to take this Suva Beauty Hydro Liner. It's called Dance Party. It's almost like a neon yellow, and just apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and on the bottom part of my wing liner. I just thought that would give it a nice little pop. Now I'm applying the rest of the gems for my teeth. I also decided to apply some gems on the bridge of my nose, and I went back in with my Inglot Gel liner just to do a nice dark outline to help define the skeletal nose. Going in with that highlight Wish and just applying that as a highlight on the inner corners. Going into my Mayron Paradise paint palette, I'm going to pick up the black paint and I'm just going to put a good amount of water and create these drips down my neck that I thought would be pretty badass. Going back in with that fire eyeshadow within the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to blend this on my collarbones along with the same highlight from the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit in Wish. Then I decided to also apply some gems on my neck within the gaps between the drips. I thought that would look pretty cute. And once I was done with that, going back into the Huda Remastered palette, going in with that purple shadow called Risque and just applying this to the lower lash lines. So I'm first going to apply some mascara to the lower lashes. Then I'm going to take these individual lashes just from cutting my own falsies, and I'm going to apply them underneath my lower lashes on the outer corner. Now applying some mascara to the upper lashes using Too Faced Better Than Sex. For falsies, I went in with Lily Lashes in the style Ella. Then taking another pair of individual lashes and applying them right at the center underneath my bottom lashes. And we are done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this punk psychotic glam skull look. If you did, definitely leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Bye.